Welcome, today I am with HUAWEI MatePad 11 and I'll show a couple of camera tricks. So at the first I'm going to start with the best features that we can find in the settings. And at the first we can find the audio control. So we can use keyboard or speak loudly. I'm going to choose second option. Take photo. Hey, take photo. Speak. Right now. Okay, as you can see, it's not working perfectly. Let's try one more time. Hey, take photo. What's up? Okay, right now it works better. Don't know what it was at the first. Let's turn it off. And right here we can enable the grid lines. As you can see, the help grid lines right now appears on the screen, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. We can also enable the horizontal level. It will be basically the camera leveler, and it appears right now. It's right here, as you can see. We can also add timer, so we can go for the 2, 5 or 10 delay on our shutter. Let's try with the 2 seconds. Tap on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. Let's turn it off. We can also add the floating shutter button. As you can see, it's right here. So sometimes when you cannot reach and this one, you can put it, for example, here. And you can just take photo by tapping like that. If you want to grab it back, just... Okay, it's not working like that. So we have to just go here and then tap to turn it off. Okay, and that's all from the features and the settings. When you are in the photo mode, we can quickly increase or decrease brightness level. So take a look when you tap on the screen and then move this sun icon. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, we can easily change it. When you tap on the screen, we'll set it up automatically. In the video mode, we can make the same with this brightness level, as you can see. And in the more modes, we can find panorama and the time-lapse, so there's nothing interesting, honestly. But we can download the external modes like stickers, for example. And right now, let's turn it on. Let's accept permission. And as you can see right now, when you tap on the screen, we can add these cool-looking stickers to our photos. There's a couple of them. We can also change, like for example, we can add here the currently location, and we can just tap to take photo. And as you can see right now, the stickers appears right here. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.